Imagine realizing you've been treating your system the same way you were once treated, dismissed, neglected, or pushed aside. That realization is painful, but it can also be the first step toward repair. The courage it takes to face that truth is enormous. Many people run from it, justify it, or compare themselves to someone else. Choosing honesty instead takes real integrity. Even if the system can't trust that honesty yet, it matters. And it's important to know, this experience is common. In the early stages of DID or OSDD recovery, many people push parts away or try to forget they exist. It's a kind of phobic avoidance, a defense that once kept the system fragmented. But defenses can shift, and repair is possible. So where does repair begin? Often with reflection. Someone might take the time to consider what they'd want their system to hear, such as the ways they've hurt or neglected insiders, how those insiders might feel, angry, resentful, or distant, what they feel about their own behavior, and what they want to do differently. A genuine invitation for input, and finally, a commitment. I won't do this perfectly, but I want to do better than our mother did. I'll need your help. Writing these things down can help. Then, at a calm moment, those words can be spoken inside or aloud. A person might begin with something like, "Everyone inside, I've realized something important. It affects you, and I want to share my thoughts. Please listen while I read what I wrote. And if you're willing, I'd love to hear from you afterward." Then, read the letter or notes directly to the system, every word that was written down. If no response comes, that silence doesn't necessarily mean rejection. It may mean the others are unsure, or that they don't yet believe the change is real. And that makes sense. This would be a huge shift. This is where consistency matters most. Repeating the message, day after day, shows commitment. Systems don't trust words spoken once. They trust consistency. That's how repair begins. Not with perfection, not with instant forgiveness, with honesty, consistency, and showing up again and again. And when even the smallest response comes, that flicker of connection is the beginning of repair. If this resonates, share in the comments. I do my best to respond to everyone because your voice matters here.